Welcome back guys, we are once again proud to partner up with the Game Expo down in Melbourne. If you don't know too much about the Game Expo, it is a fun gaming convention. You can come on down, play a couple of the free PCs which are set up for your enjoyment, and of course there'll be some proper competitions for the real sweats, you know, as well as some cosplay competitions and some tabletop activities for your enjoyment. So what we're going over today is all the range of PCs we'll be sending down for you, 1 through to 4 here. Each one will give you a different type of performance depending on what type of games you're playing, and we will be testing out some performance in one of today's very popular titles. Of course, we're starting at level 1 like all good things, and this one is the level 1 gaming PC. This one's designed for those fresh cadets looking to join the Helldivers at 1080p. We're looking at an Intel Core i5 12400F, a GeForce RTX 4060 and 32GB of DDR4 memory. Performance-wise in game, we should be expecting around 90 to 100 FPS. Up next is the level 2 gaming PC, which coincidentally is for 2K or 1440p gaming. Hardware side of things, it's an AMD 7800X 3D with a GeForce RTX 4070 and 32GB of DDR5 RAM. Performance wise, we're looking at around 100 to 115 while you're protecting Super Earth. Up next we have our level 3 gaming system. Hardware side of things, we are looking at an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti and 32GB of DDR5 RAM. In the game here, performance-wise, looking around 90 to 100 FPS on 4K for a really enjoyable experience. And we're up to our final stage with the level 4 gaming PC. This one's designed for the ultimate 4K performance with an Intel Core i7 14700KF, GeForce RTX 4080 and 32GB of DDR5 RAM. In game, we are looking around 145 to 160 FPS at 4K for that ultimate liberation. And that's it for today. If you want to find out more about the Game Expo happening this weekend or any of the 4 PCs we'll be sending down, make sure you check out all the links down below. If you do head on down, make sure you jump on one of these rigs, have a couple of games, and remember, enjoy your weekend on the 23rd to the 24th of March. Thanks for watching.